When I'm a little bit like anxious about what's coming, I like to make silly jokes. And welcome to another vlog video. Sit down, however you want to say. Today's one is going to be a little tiny bit different than usually, but that is because as you're watching this, I'm in New York and I don't think you will see this background for a little while. I honestly missed being at home so much, and that's a little bit unfortunate considering that I will not be back actually here for quite a while now. But as you guys know, especially my most loyal followers, they've been with me on this journey for a very long time. Every September and every February for I don't even know how long now, I have been attending fashion weeks. In fact, I am now, as you're watching this, attending my 16th New York Fashion Week. Is that even real? I don't know. Anyway, for that reason, I will basically, like, Fashion Month for me is something like a tour for a musician, I would say. It's a very important time of the year. Fashion Week is something that I know it seems very glamorous and very like beautiful from the outside, and it is. If you really love fashion, it is something really beautiful. But the point is, it's sort of like an exhibition, like a trade show for the industry, so that we can see all the new collections, not even the ones that are just coming from September onwards, but that we will see next spring, summer. I know it doesn't really make sense, but it does for the industry. And it's intense. There's a lot of like things to do in one day. I don't know, like a little bit, I guess, of pressure as well to make everything on time, to do coverage for everything. And it's a lot of fun. It requires a lot of outfits. And because it requires a lot of outfits, I decided to get everything that was on my wish list to bring with me to New York. So I pre-filmed this before I went. I knew that I will need these things, and I'm not gonna like be able to show you while I'm at the Fashion Week, so I'm filming this before Fashion Week so you can see it. Now, you guys know how much I love to shop on Mytheresa.com. Mytheresa is a luxury website where you can find incredible clothing. Now, designers like Prada, Gucci, Versace, Saint Laurent, Dolce & Gabbana, anything you can think of, pretty much they have. And not just that they have, but they also have really great selection of those brands. In fact, this month, I wanted to tell you that there are some special promotions running on Mytheresa.com. And before I continue telling you more about it, I would just like to let you know that Mytheresa is my partner. We've partnered like for many years now, as I shop there all the time, basically. So from 6th to 12th of September, Mytheresa will be running a new customer promotion, which means that if you are new to the site and you create like your profile on there, you will have some special perks as well as free shipping, because free shipping is something that we all like. I don't know, like for some reason, I like to shop a lot. And I like my special promotions, which you cannot blame me for. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna show you what I got for Fashion Week, because we need to get ready and we need to pack these things in the suitcase. Ready? So first things first, something that I actually initially wanted in denim color, but ended up getting in this gray, kind of like a jersey sweater material. And it's a Magda bustier. I think this is so fabulous for Fashion Weeks because I can wear this with a suit. I can wear this with like a pair of jeans and an oversized blazer. I think it's like one of those like really cool girl pieces because it's kind of elegant, but the material, can you guys see it? The material makes it a little bit more casual. Like, it's a sweater material, but it is dressy, which I think is what makes this special. Now, for me, I'm usually size like 36, I would say, especially on top. I'm smaller, but I got this 38 just because I wanted the kind of breast cups to be perfect size and not too small or anything like that, because I don't want it also to be constricting. I want it to just look like a cool fashion top because we're going to Fashion Week. I think all of you noticed that lately, even like my best friend was like, since when are you this black and white clothing person? And I'm not. I just like, look, I'm wearing a light blue top. Isn't that something? I just personally find it like, especially when I pack more muted colors, I find it easier to style, more mature. Maybe it's just, I don't know. But then I also love being in color. It's very hard. Anyway, I got something really cool, I think. It's a green suit from Frankie's shop. And even though Mytheresa sells like all of these like top high-end brands, they also have some like more, I would say, affordable luxury brands such as Frankie Shop, which is very cool. Wow, this looks tiny. I got extra small because usually I am extra small in Frankie Shop, but I mean this looks very small. We'll see if I can close it. These green pants I really wanted because I think that it's a beautiful color green. Is that kind of like, can we call it a Bottega green? Hopefully no one's gonna get upset, but I really love it. And I think these trousers from Frankie Shop are very, very flattering because it's like small waist. It's a little bit of a carrot, but not a classic carrot. And in fact, I got a matching blazer because it's a suit and your girl likes to collect suits. So we'll know how the sizing is of the pants. I'll let you know. And if it doesn't work, I'll just exchange it for a small. That's one really great thing about Mytheresa. I say this a lot. You can just, when you fill out form, you can kind of like exchange it for another size if it's available, which I think is great. And the material of this blazer is also pretty cool. I don't know if you can see. It's quite nice. I was worried that it's gonna be a little bit too soft, but it's not. It's perfect. The blazer is in size small, and I think it's perfect. A little bit oversized blazer, but that's kind of how it's supposed to be. Not too oversized, but oversized enough that at Fashion Week, like I would wear this in Fashion Week with my New Balance sneakers for a day look. But then in the evening, I can style it with some pointy heels and make it look really like evening-y. Even like with this. You know what I mean? Let's see what else have I got in this box. Who would I be if I wouldn't order at least like 2-3 items from Magda Butrum, right? So we have this gorgeous dress. Look at this. It's like a white, mini, off-white, ivory color. That keeps changing. It's an ivory, beautiful silk kind of like dress, but like thick, with these flowers on the breast cups. And why I love this specifically is because this looks to me like a perfect dress to be worn under an oversized blazer when you want to look like, I don't know, like just very dainty and elegant under like a borrowed boyfriend blazer, or even a huge oversized denim jacket with high heels for evening look. This is beautiful. I just hope it's not going to be too short, because keep in mind, I'm not a tall girl necessarily, but I'm like around 174, so, and there's a bit of booty there, so it's not like, you know what I mean, a little bit of booty, depends who you ask. This looks like a Magda Butrum haul. It's not. I just really love Magda. Another Magda blazer in size 38. I never saw this one before because look at this material. Can you see it? It's very, wow, it's beautiful. It's something quite summery though, but guys, we're boiling. We're boiling in Milan. It's 30 degrees. This heat is like, the heat in Milan is, I don't want to talk about weather, but it's like, it's impossible not to. And also New York will be 30 as well pretty much every day, which is a big no, but it is what it is. This is the blazer. I really like it. I love the off-white color. It could also go really well with this underneath. Can we agree on that? Do you like this look? And I love this color on me. Like this kind of Magda's off-white is really perfect for me. Like I love it. I love it, and I think that it's just, yeah, it just goes. Let's break this Fashion Week extravaganza with a pair of shoes that I was dying for. We got a pair after a very long time. I don't know what was the last time that I got a pair of Bottega shoes. It's been a while, I think, but I had to get these. When I saw them, I was like, oh, I need it, okay? These are a pair of mules, like, you know, the standard Bottega Veneta mules that I got like 3 years ago. But can we discuss this? Now, I don't know why I just realized I got a size 41 and I'm 39-40, but it said get a size up or half size up. Let's see. To be honest, if I got any smaller, okay, you'll see it. It will be too small. I think this is actually perfect. They are. I'm gonna take a picture because I'm gonna immediately text my friend Sandra that she needs to get these. Vinny, I just unboxed these. They run small a little bit, so get a size up. I would say they are utterly gorgeous. Okay, that's beautiful. These are going straight to my suitcase because I have no words. I'm obsessed. I couldn't wait. That was like, you know, every time, like, I don't know about you guys, but every time I place an online order, I'm like, there's one item that I cannot get out of my head and that I'm like, I cannot wait to unbox that piece, and that's the piece for me for this haul. Love them. Not much color left. but this was something that I thought was very nice. It is sort of like a sequiny, lacy dress. This is from Dolce & Gabbana. Now, I haven't actually shopped at the Dolce for a very long time, and I somehow really started, like, every time I see like the new in, I started being like, ooh, and it's like something from Dolce, and I'm like, ooh, and it's something from Dolce, and I really liked this dress, and I thought it could be perfect for also Paris, not just for New York, because look at the material, it's quite see-through, so I need to see what I'm gonna wear it with. I got a size Italian 40, so that we make sure that everything fits perfectly, but I think it's really beautiful, and it's quite light and nice, and you know, we need that kind of clothing because my suitcases will be pretty heavy, okay? I think we all can agree on that. Now, one other thing that I was really looking forward to is this. Everyone will be like, Tamara, please stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. But I cannot stop. It's a pair of Balenciaga jeans. Sorry, I have to get up because I need to check them out. I'm dying. I was dying for them. Look how baggy they are. These are the ones. Like, I saw them online, but then I wasn't sure if these are what I wanted when I saw them on the mannequin. And these are exactly what I wanted. I am obsessed. Size 26. I mean, it looks big, but maybe you will wear them kind of low. I love them. And I don't actually have a pair of black denim baggy Balenciaga jeans or any other branded black denim baggy jeans, right? So is that not an excuse enough? I think it is, because I love them. And actually this, with this corset, I have my outfit. Or it's in the wash, but let me show it to you. This Prada tank top, it's wet because it just got washed this morning. And guys, this is super sold out and unavailable and impossible to get, etc. But because I shop a lot on Mytheresa, I have a dedicated personal shopper that helps me find impossible to find stuff even when they're very sold out. And my personal shopper, Yuste, is like, I don't know, like, whenever I text her, she responds like a robot, like she's always there and she always finds everything I'm looking for. And this time I was like, please, 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 I want this top before I go to Fashion Week. It's just a simple white top with the triangle that says Prada. And she was like, let me see what I can do. And like literally 2 days later, I had this. I just ordered this, so it was in a separate haul, but it's also from Mytheresa. And I'm so grateful to their personal shopping team, because once you do shop a lot in one place, like Mytheresa, you get like certain perks. And this is the kind of perk that I need in my life. Okay, there's not that much left. But there's one thing that I've been dreaming about for a long time, and it was sold out in my Milanese Saint Laurent boutique. They offered to order it for me from Venice, but I was like, by the time you order it from Venice, it'll already arrive from Mytheresa. Obviously, I didn't say this to them, I just, you know. And here it is. It's a black mini evening cocktail dress. It has these like chain on shoulders details, and I just really like it. It's like, when I was a child, I used to call these like a baby doll, like, you know, they used to call it that way. It's a silk dress. Very cute, very tiny, and I already know what I would also wear this with my Saint Laurent black crystal mules. Very cute. Size medium, I think that's what it was available, but I will see if it works. I think it will work, why wouldn't it? And I think it's beautiful, so gorgeous. I was very much looking forward to this piece because this was the only piece from this collection that I couldn't actually get until now, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, last but not the least is a Christopher Esber dress. Gorgeous! I really wanted this for a while now, and it's like so beautiful. You cannot really see it like this. It is maxi. I got a size 8. UK 8, and I think it's really such an incredibly beautiful piece. I just hope it fits well, because I don't really have that much experience with Christopher Esber. I have some, but you know, it can be always a bit better. And I really love this dress. I think this dress might not necessarily scream New York, but why not? It's more like also gonna be useful for Milan, because let's not forget that I'm not gonna be having time like to run to shops, and like, you know, once I'm gone tomorrow morning when I go to New York, I have to pack tonight, and once I go, kind of that's gonna be it. What I have in my wardrobe, I have in my wardrobe, so I better take this seriously. Yeah, very important. Okay guys, false alarm, it was not the last item. I wasn't sure if I was gonna show you this one just yet, but I really love it, and it is a little bit early for it, but it's a blazer from Saint Laurent, and it's quite an autumnal blazer that I would say if you don't get now, well, you'll cry later. But I really love it, and I think that it was essential because I want to wear it with my perfectly matching Birkin. Forget this blue top, okay? Forget it. This is it. Look at this. And honestly, like, I really love Saint Laurent so much as a brand. Now, jokes aside, I'm in a bit of a playful, funny mood because I'm stressed about tomorrow. And sometimes when I have, like, not stressed, I just have so much to do and so many hours in a day. And you know, like, sometimes, I don't know how you are, but me, when I'm a little bit, like, anxious about what's coming, I like to make silly jokes and I like to just be a little bit playful or try to kind of like find a way to laugh about it. So yeah, ignore that. But now look at these brown pants from the row that I recently got and will obviously be back into New York with me. With this blazer, imagine my brown Hermes clogs that I bought in Miami. Honestly, I think like Mytheresa has an incredible selection of the row, and they have an amazing way of styling it. Like when you check it out, I will link the pants below. I will obviously link the blazer too. But when it comes to the row, I didn't stop myself there. I love the brand so much. I bought 2 other pieces. This was not in this haul, but like while I was in, I think, Portofino. I got these brown pants also, which are the same ones that I have in white and in black. I'll try and insert pictures so you can see it. They are in size small. Pretty much most of the things I get from the row are in small. They have this elastic band, so perfect for travel, but I would say that the brown ones are better than white and then black. All 3 are in different materials. This is sort of like wool mix, and they don't crease as much as the white ones, and they're not as light as the black ones. So I wore them already like 2 or 3 times and I love them. I know they're exactly the same colors as the pants that I've shown you, but these pants that I'm wearing are a little bit more formal comparing to, oh my god, I'm boiling, comparing to the elastic band ones. And one thing that I have to say is that the brown is the new black. Now you can agree or disagree, but that's my opinion. And I will back that opinion up by showing you another piece from the row. This brown shirt is to complete this look with a belt. What do we think? How chic and smart. Like, this is the kind of my like ultimate, like this is for me a pinnacle of chicness. The row brown shirt and matching pants. I'm sorry, that's it. Okay, so now I have to get rid of all the boxes and packaging. 3 projects that I have to finish before I head out to New York. I have to cool this house a little bit. I have to tidy, I have to do so many things, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, which is going to be New York. Now, I don't know what you guys think, but I can tell you what I think, and I'm so excited to be back in New York and to bring you with me. And I think we're gonna try and do the best job ever, because in New York we got more shows confirmed than ever. I have more exciting projects than ever, and I cannot wait to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me, for commenting, liking, and all the other great stuff that you guys do. Love you lots, and I'll see you in New York. Bye guys.